Here AB parallels CD, and if TU transversal intersects AB at P and CD at Q, and it is assumed that AB is parallel to CD, then if angle CQU is 105 degree, find angle APT. Okay, so this angle is given. CQU is given. Suppose it is 105 degree. Okay, 105 degree, right? No, take it as 75 degree. 75 degree, right? So if this angle is 75 degree, find angle APT. Okay, so what is the nature of this angle? Since angle APT and angle CQU are exterior angles on the same side of the transversal, so both these angles are supplementary in nature. What does that mean? Supplementary means the sum of the two angles will make 180 degree. So what is, therefore, angle CQU plus angle APT equals to 180 degree, in which we have already angle CQU is given 75 degree. We will put here 75 degree plus angle APT is not given 180 degree. What we will do, we will keep angle APT on this side and we will take this to that side degree. So the result is 105 degree. Therefore angle APT is equal to 105 degree. Answer. On the same principle, you can do question if angle BPT is equal to 75 degree, find angle DQU. Okay, on the same basis we can do this question. Thank you.